Hi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redirect users based on their country using QRCodeDynamic. By doing this, you can provide personalized content and direct your audience to specific web pages based on their geographical location. Let's get started. To use country targeting, you need to use a dynamic URL QR code. First, click on the Generate QR Codes button, then select URL, and enable the dynamic QR code option and create your link from this part. Okay, let's add our link to the destination URL part. You can also configure the URL alias and click on the Create to Generate it. Now we created our link. We can find our link from this part and customize it. And once you are finished, click on the Create button. Now your dynamic URL QR code is ready, and you need to navigate to the accounts from here and go to the links part. Choose the link you want to customize and click on the Edit button from here. Go to the targeting part and select your targeting type as country and click on the Create button and select countries you want to target and add your URL next to it. You can add multiple countries like this and delete them as needed from this part. And once you are finished, click on the Update button. Now you can add country targeting to your dynamic URL QR codes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.